What would you do if the power went out right now? Could you see to cook? You know me, I don't ever shut up about having your pantry stocked and prepared for any random Tuesday or the apocalypse. But have you ever tried to actually function in the kitchen without power? Regardless of the state of your pantry, just being able to see with no power, you don't realize how poorly lit your house is until all of a sudden, no lights work. In February 2021, Texas had a crazy freeze for a week. We aren't set up for freezes down here. We'll take 100 degrees for 3 months straight, no problem. But freezes and snow is not what we are set up for. We lost power for a week, which also meant we lost water because we're on a well. So temperatures were below freezing for a week straight. We had a foot of snow, no power, no central heat, no running water. It was not fun, but it taught me a lot. I mean, it wasn't all that bad. I was prepared. I had bottled water, I had pantry food, we had a gas stove, we had a gas heater. We were set. And in that moment, I realized how much I loved this little impulse buy. My battery-powered magnetic light. This simple light is amazing. They're so bright. When the power goes out, you aren't stumbling around trying to find a flashlight, lantern, or a headlight. All you have to do is stick it on your microwave or range hood right above your stove, or anything magnetic, and turn it on. Magnets on the back. Easy at that. I have 2 for extra brightness and in case one breaks. But these lights saved my booty when I was trying to cook dinner on the stove in the middle of winter, when the sun sets at 6:30 and it is so dark already. These lights are one of my favorite items to have. They shine perfectly on what you are cooking, so you can actually use your hands to cook instead of trying to hold a flashlight while trying to cook at the same time. They are rechargeable with an outlet or a battery charger that we always keep charged and on hand, just like that. Don't be dumb, don't put off tomorrow what you can get done today. Snag this little impulse buy now like I did while you still have power, and you will thank yourself later, trust me. Link below, you will appreciate this one. By the way, I'm MJ from loadedpotato.org, and I make shelf-stable meals, snacks, and lazy cooking hacks that'll save you time, money, and your fridge space. Want more cheat hacks like this? Follow me and check out loadedpotato.org for pantry-only meals, no chopping, no stress, and hacks to make your life easier. loadedpotato.org. Till next time.